Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rahina
I'm Hina.
and today is a Valentine's Day special vlog. जिसमें we will be talking about love. So Hina, what is love for you?
Um, like a definition.
Anything.
I'm
like
not good at
what,
talking about love or feelings, by the way.
What is love to you?
Comfort.
So sweet.
I know what love is.
Is that it? You can like
obviously,
elaborate.
like there are different kinds of love, or everybody expresses it differently. But I feel like just feeling safety and feeling like you belong with another person, whether it's a friend, yeah, it's a family, yeah, it's you. That's the feeling of love. So, comfort, essentially.
That is so nice.
तुम बताओ.
I think love is just everywhere. I'm sitting here with Hina, this is love. I breathe, that is love. My body heals itself, that's love. It's everywhere. But I do like romantic wala love. That is my favorite kind of love. Yeah, I've had experiences with like different forms of love. But then the excitement, the trauma, the feelings that you get with like romantic love. Honestly, you know how people say oh, it's love, it's lust, it can be anything. I think even if it's lust or whatever it is, on some level there is love, you know. Personally, I think lust is also love, but that's just me. But anyway, because obviously friendship is also love. I will tell Hina 3 things that I like about her, that I love about her.
I love this game. पर मुझे बतानी होगा.
नहीं तुम नहीं बताना. हम एक दूसरे को बताएंगे because that's love. So something that I love about Hina is that she offers बहुत ही like अलग ही perspective on things. Because normally if I'm talking about like a situation, कि मेरी life में I have a situation, she will hear me out properly and then she'll know that I'm a little crazy, right? So her, she'll let me speak and वो सब करेगी. But then the way she'll convey her point is so like it doesn't feel like an attack, and it feels like it's coming from a place of love or from a place of concern, and it doesn't make me hate her. Because usually when someone gives me their opinion या कुछ अपनी बताता है ना कि oh you know this is where you're wrong, I hate it, and I feel like there's always a way to tell people कि अच्छा ठीक है you could like there could be an improvement यहाँ पे. And the way she does it, it's so nice, and like I would actually genuinely listen to her. So you know, and like the stuff that she says is so like I don't think people like I know most people would miss out on that stuff, and she'd still say it. I was like, wow, you're very such richness in that. Second thing is कि तुम empathize करती हो लोगों के साथ. हाँ तो यही कहते हैं she empathizes बहुत ज़्यादा. And like I know because she feels feelings other people are feeling, and then she acts accordingly. Not in a way that oh go on act accordingly. In a way that you know, बहुत ही make them feel very comfortable. You know. Yeah. And then third thing is like that you know we eat together. मुझे मज़ा आता है.
She loves bestie time.
Yeah, I love bestie time, but clearly she doesn't.
Bro,
I won't specify how
I'm literally
much.
always with her. पूरा कितने 4 दिन ये मुझसे मिलती है, 4 दिन हम मिलते हैं पूरा दिन.
Whatever, it's all totally. But point is, I love bestie time. And I like eating with her.
Really?
हाँ मतलब sometimes she's annoying क्योंकि she's like अपना खाना लो, मैं share नहीं कर रही है वो.
Because मैं कई बार ज़्यादा खाती हूँ, and then she's like, oh, share.
Yeah, but I like sharing. ठीक है, even if someone's eating ज़्यादा, like हम और ले लेंगे खाना, but I still want to share. Like I don't.
अच्छा मुझे ये नहीं पता था
अच्छा.
कि हमारे पास आगे जाके और लेने की ऑप्शन है. I was like, okay, this is it, and now she's in my food.
Wow, now I know. Getting my own food अब से.
अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ.
Yeah.
So the first thing I was saying was that I love how confident she is because she's like always doing stuff जो कि like I just think a lot कि I'm like oh ये करना चाहिए and ये करना चाहिए and then she just does those things and it's also not कि she does them poorly, she does them really well and not just with like कि you know कि oh कि ये कहीं जाके गाना गा रही है but also like in relationships if I think about it she just goes for the not even like in romantic relationships if she wants to be somebody's friend she just go and be their friend and I'm like oh my god not everybody is that fearless and but like which is the way I think she lives her life is just very I'm just like oh wow which is the decision she's always making I'm always in awe oh my god like I didn't know it was that easy and then I feel like that also rubs off on me कि I'm like okay like I should also be more confident and like you know get out so that is the first thing I think that's like the main reason that like I was like okay I want to be friends with this person I want to keep this person
Oh,
yeah
that's so sweet.
the second thing
Yeah.
she is really emotionally intelligent और इट डजंट लाइक अगर आप लोग इससे 2-3 कॉन्वर्सेशन करोगे यू वुड बी लाइक ओके शी इज क्रेजी लाइक शी इज इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट बट देन समटाइम्स इफ यू टेल हर कुछ लाइक सिचुएशंस तो यू डू सी कि शी हैज़ ऑल्सो बिन इन सिमिलर सिचुएशंस एंड शी सॉर्ट ऑफ gives you ऐसी advice that you do think that okay this is coming from a place of expertise या फिर of a place of like just you know like knowing something more than I know or I really value that because मुझे I'm always really scared of like emotions or getting hurt or whatever or I just feel like do you get what I'm saying
I used to get it.
yeah और इसलिए मैं इससे एडवाइस भी देती हूँ you know even some people मुझे कहते हैं इससे एडवाइस नहीं है because sometimes मुझे डिलूलू कर देती है she's like हाँ करो and I'm like okay कर लेती हूँ and then I'm like bro ये क्या हुआ but most times I am like कि मैं इसी से इसलिए एडवाइस देती हूँ because
मैं actually अच्छी advice देती हूँ. Personally, I think I do.
and not even like life advice even अगर मैं लोगों से रिलेटेड पूछूंगी तो ये दूसरे लोगों का मुझे पर्सपेक्टिव समझाएगी आई वुड बी लाइक ओके व्हाई इज दिस पर्सन दिस वे विद मी तो शी वुड बी लाइक ओके दिस इज व्हाट द सिचुएशन दे माइट बी इन एंड दिस इज व्हाट दे माइट बी फीलिंग तो इसलिए वो कर रहे होंगे तो आई एम लाइक ओके आई डोंट हैव दैट मच मैच्योरिटी टू कंसिडर कि ओके इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट मी और इट कुड बी डिफरेंट थिंग्स जिसकी वजह से दे आर एक्टिंग अ सर्टेन आई जस्ट थिंक कि दैट्स जस्ट समथिंग जो I have yet to learn और इसके पास already है. Last चीज़ I like that you talk a lot because I like usually people जो बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते हैं तो like थोड़ा extroverted होना और just like being able to say whatever is on your mind is something I admire because मैं 100 बार सोचती हूँ कुछ भी बोलने से पहले.
Okay. Yeah, that was cute. तुम सोचो जब तक मैं तुम्हारा बताऊँ एक मुझे याद आया. Something that I really like about her is that she does this thing where इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो रही होंगी उसकी लाइफ में and she you know want to do those things. जैसे you know how you like art and how you like literature and how you like taking these courses जो तुम कहती हो मैंने बहुत फजूल courses लिए but then she's like she likes those things and she pursues it. So I like कि you know if she likes something, if she likes doing art, she will do it. If she wants to take a course, she will do it. And like I really admire this about her क्योंकि मेरा ये होता है कि a lot of times even though I like to do things but मेरा जो डिसीजन होता है ना वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. इट रियली डिपेंड्स ऑन लाइक मेरा मूड कि अच्छा ठीक है मुझे क्या ये करना है लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या मैं इस पर आई विल बी कमिटेड टू दिस बट हर्स इज मोर लाइक कि लिसन दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई लाइक एंड I know that I'm going to be committed to it, like, you know, and then just that commitment and the determination to, like, that she shows, I really like that, like, I'm just like, I want to, you know, have that quality too. अच्छा लगता है.
मुझे दो आएंगे. First is that I like how she doesn't mind my clinginess because usually मेरे साथ ये होता है especially friendships में I get really clingy और most people either they don't really see कि okay मैं clingy हो रही हूँ तो like they, I wouldn't say ignore, but just they don't see how she likes being clingy, na? So they'll just be doing their own thing and then they'll reply and then they wouldn't know कि मुझे बुरा लग रहा है कि they're not being as clingy with me.
Yeah.
And then I feel like I can be that way with her and she would, you know, like she would appreciate that as well.
And
she
then मैं
would,
सामने से भी clingy होंगी.
yeah.
I am clingy. I think इसीलिए हमारे पास होता है because we both are very clingy with each other.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like I'm bothering her or whatever by being that way with her. No, or I don't think मेरे ये like किसी और दोस्त, and it's also जब usually मैं इतनी ज़्यादा clingy किसी के साथ होती हूँ ना तो मेरी बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होने लगती हैं और तुम्हारे साथ उस तरीके की नहीं होती मेरी. I'm just like okay, this is also like a healthy kind of thing.
It's this healthy clinginess, guys.
Yes,
This
we're
exists.
really clingy.
Yes, so true.
Yeah, I also think if तुम clingy होती हो तो you sort of like दूसरा इंसान थोड़ा encourage हो जाए okay, I can be clingy with this person.
This is the clingy gang, guys.
Yeah.
You all are welcome. You can be as clingy as you want. This is a safe space. Please let us know कि आप लोगों ने वैलेंटाइंस डे पे क्या किया था. पर्सनली मैं घर जाके सो गई थी. मेरी क्लास थी and that's it. ये शादी पे गई थी. That was my Valentine's Day.
मेरी क्लास कैंसिल हो गई थी.
Oh हाँ तो ये आई थी नहीं थी. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below how you spent your Valentine's Day.
Yeah, and also you can list down things you like about us.
Like about us.
Yes.
Yes,
Like
please.
straight up go on.
Yes,
the
just
comments.
validate us, guys. Please. You need to tell us how much you love us. Okay. Bye.